If you're trying to build wealth through trading, listen up. Most traders, they're not traders. They're emotional wrecks gambling on candlesticks. But if you understand one principle, just one, you can flip the entire game in your favor. This isn't about predicting markets. It's about mastering mindset. This is how pros really win. Welcome to Built Different Daily, where we trade with purpose, not hope. Let me start by introducing a concept I call the coin flip mindset. Here's the scenario. Flip a coin 10 times. Heads, you win $300. Tails, you lose $100. Now most people would freak out over each flip. But a trader, a real trader, doesn't care about the individual result. They care about the average outcome. It's not about the trade, it's about the strategy. Keep the same rules, keep the same conditions. It's all about winning probability. That's how the edge stacks up. So ask yourself, are you reacting to every win and loss? Or are you tracking what works over time? Next, let's dive into the tools required to trade. You don't need 50 indicators. You don't need secret Discord calls. You need just 3 things. Just 3. First, TradingView for clean charts. Secondly, a spreadsheet or journal to track trades. Finally, a solid exchange you understand. No cowboy stuff. Start simple. Wipe your chart clean. Candles only. No clutter. If your setup looks like a NASA dashboard, you've already lost. Simplicity scales. Clutter kills. Now we'll move into understanding market movement. Let's start with what actually moves the market. It's not the news. It's not Elon. It's buyers and sellers. Supply and demand. That's it. Every candle on your chart is human psychology in action. Institutions, retail traders, algorithms, fear, greed, hope. Learn to read that flow, and you'll stop trading what you think and start trading what you see. That brings me to risk management. This is the real power and the secret sauce. Here's what separates the gambler from the beast. Position sizing, risk per trade, stop loss, take profit. Every single time. If you're entering trades because you felt good about it, you're already cooked. This game is about repeatable math. For example, you risk $50 to make $150. Do that with a 30% win rate. You're still profitable. Take a moment to reflect on that. That's power. If that lit a fire in you, hit subscribe. Because this channel isn't for hype. It's for people who are building something real. Next up, we'll dive into journaling and proof of concept look. If you're not journaling your trades, you're not serious. Log the entry. Exit. Screenshot. Did you follow your system? Did you manage your risk? Without proof of concept, you're just donating to the market. Want to simulate faster? Use bar replay. Run backtests. Build real conviction before you ever risk $1 of real capital. That brings me to the use of leverage. Put simply, it's a double-edged sword. Now look, leverage is not the enemy, but it's not your friend either. Used wrong, it's destruction. Used right, it gives you access to the game. The trick? Still manage your risk based on dollar value, not emotions. 10x leverage with proper position sizing is powerful, but 200x with no plan. That's account suicide. Be clear on your approach using leverage with appropriate risk management. And finally, you have to, I repeat, have to, close the loop. You have to take your profits. Don't be greedy. Stick to your plan and be content with that. Every trade is just a coin flip with calculated odds. Master the conditions. Stick to the process. Track every move. Cut the noise. This game isn't about being right. It's about staying alive long enough to compound the wins. That's how real traders eat. That's how you'll also succeed. Now, if you're done gambling and ready to trade with intent, subscribe now. Turn on the bell. And let me know in the comments, what's one trading mistake you're ready to leave behind? This is Built Different Daily. Built for the grind. Leading with purpose. Unleash your potential today. I'll see you in the next one.